How to make leaves of rubber plant shine. If the leaves of your plant look dull and lost the vibrancy, I will show you exactly how quick and easy you can make them shine again. Usually, dull leaves mean that the plant has maybe a dust buildup on its leaf, lack of nutrients. It can indicate low humidity or pest issues. So this is how you do it quick and easy. You need to get a microfiber glove, spray neem oil on your microfiber glove or microfiber towel. Gently support the leaf from the bottom and wipe the leaf with a moist glove. Don't rush. You will see how shiny and beautiful the leaves will look after I am done. And you see how easy it is? It doesn't take much time. But look at this, see the difference? It's beautiful, right? Quick and easy. If you have any more questions about how to make the rubber plant leaf shines, let me know in the comments below.